I do it, make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video here with me on 54 More. In today's video, like the title says, we're going to be changing some spark plugs on the Dodge Dart. Okay, so first thing we're going to start off with is moving this upper piece here. I'm going to move the cap. I'm pretty sure it could probably come over there. But back here, there's a plug. I'm going to disconnect this plug. This is for the sensor. There's a screw back there that would loosen this, but my clamp up here is already broken. So you'll make sure you want to loosen the screw back there off the throttle body. The clamp off the throttle body. And then when we come over here, we're just going to loosen this up completely. Pry that back a little bit, separate it. Once we do that, we're going to lift up. Keep lifting, everything is separating. Like I said, back here you have a clamp on the throttle body. The clamp pulls off, and then that's your intake ducting off. And then you'll have your spark plugs right here. So I'm gonna grab some 10 millimeter, pull these out, and get my air blower to blow off the area. Alright, so now that we got that upper piece off, I blew out the area. I'm gonna go ahead and take my 10 millimeter, remove these. I don't know where I put my magnet tray, but just don't lose your screws. Take all 4 of them out, and then once I take all 4 of these out, there are clips. I don't know where I put my screwdriver that I just had in my hand, but I'm gonna use a different one. So there are clips in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these off. Got that one. Clips. Once all the clips are popped off, then you can go ahead and just depress the plug. Let me see if I can show you guys. Pull this up. Right there, there's a plug right there. Press on it, comes off. Make sure to put these in the same order that you're taking them out. Pull this one out. And do the same thing for all the other ones. And then once I do that, I see oil in here already. May need a valve cover gasket, but we'll see. Okay, so here we go. If you have the spark plug tool that has the whatchamacallit, the rubber inside of it, then it'll just come out immediately. Me, I don't use it because the rubber is thick. So I'll pull one, it'll stay in there. Pull another one. Now once I get all of them out, loose, I'm gonna just go ahead and reach down, take these out. I'm gonna put them up here, just so I can inspect in order what cylinder is doing what. Pull all these out. So that's out. So now I'll go ahead and inspect it or whatever. But at the same time, I'm gonna also get the new ones, put the anti-seize on them, and then drop them in there so that my cylinder holes aren't wide open. Alright, so now I've got them all in there. I'm gonna go ahead and screw down a little bit. I always do this just to make sure I don't, accidentally cross thread a spark plug, which would be very bad. So, screw them down a little bit. And if you're wondering if I'm going to use the impact gun to do this, yes I am. Because impact gun isn't strong enough to break it, so I'm not gonna waste time. like that. So now I'll get my my ratchet. I don't know where my ratchet went. I'll find it. So I've got my ratchet now, so go ahead and just give it a little check. Make sure they're tight enough. That's like perfect. I'm not sure if you're one of the people that love using torque specs. I'm not sure what the torque is. I might try to look for it and put it on the screen for you, but I probably won't because it'll fit no matter what. So, I'm gonna drop this in here. Put all these back on. So once you put this back on, you slide the clip forward. There we go. That one's acting up, so let's see what's wrong with that one. But yeah. Push back on. That's a good feeling. We'll see. So now these are back on. Go ahead and get the screws and put them back in. All right, so now that it's back in, I can go ahead and put this piece back in. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cap off. Slide this in her. There we go. That's in there. In here. Back in. So now go ahead and tighten these up. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and connect this back here. Put my cap back in, and then I will tighten up this screw right here. And that is all. Alright, well that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. Hope this video helps somebody, and I'll catch you guys in the next DIY vlog or whatever video I put out.